Hi guys, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. Today I'm going to share a very simple remedy with you to clear out the mucus. Radishes. One of the best things you can use for mucus are radishes. Radishes are rich in potassium, vitamin B's, vitamin K, calcium, magnesium, and many other nutrients. Radishes have certain properties which help pull mucus out from deep sinuses within your body. It is even great in clearing out thick mucus. The best way to consume radishes to clear out mucus is juicing them. Juice with ginger, lemon, and celery. Radishes have a hot, spicy taste. Diluting it with celery juice makes them not only more effective, it tones down the heat. And adding ginger and lemon to it enhances its effectiveness in removing mucus. Radishes are also great for your liver and kidney health. They're great for your lymphatic system. They boost your immune system. They protect your heart and help control your blood pressure as well. So, do you need any more reasons for making radishes a part of your daily routine? I don't think so. Until next time, goodbye.